Welcome back, my dear friends. At IAS Army, we always believe in making your preparation a celebration. Making your preparation a celebration. To add colors to your life and to make your preparation a true celebration, my team designed and developed India's most powerful, innovative, and interactive quiz. So far, this quiz is exclusively available only for our IAS Army students. But on this auspicious day on July 22nd, my team decided to make this quiz open for all, such that many students can benefit from this powerful quiz. My dear friends, let me ask you one question. What is the importance of July 22nd? Yes, my dear friends, think for 10 seconds. My dear friend, on July 22nd, 1947, our Constituent Assembly adopted our tricolor national flag. So, on this auspicious day, my team took a pledge to dedicate this quiz platform to all the honest and sincere hardworking aspirants. That's the reason we made our quiz portal open for all students. Let me give you a demo of this interactive quiz, India's most interactive quiz for IAS aspirants. To access this quiz, just you need to enter onto our website. It is just www.ias.army. Please remember, it is just ias.army. It is not iasarmy.com. Okay, this is our website, colorful website. Just if you click on quiz, it will redirect to this page. India's most interactive quiz for IAS aspirants. Let us start the demo of it. Friends, at IAS Army, we always value your emotions. Our important aim at IAS Army is to add the human touch in the civil service preparation. We are concerned about your success. We value your emotions. Okay, so that's the reason. It's first the quiz asks, how are you, my friend? Since I'm feeling very happy, so I'm clicking happy. See the personalized message. Yes, my friend, that's the spirit. Great to know that you are feeling happy in these ongoing challenging circumstances. We are so happy to hear that you are happy. Come on, my friend, let's together radiate the positivity into this world. Inspiring and encouraging message. Great start. Now it's asking, my friend, I forgot to ask your good name. Okay, whose name shall we enter? Okay, let's enter Dr. APJ Kalam's name. Okay. Click OK. The first question starts. See, my dear friend, image of the beautiful line here, background. Okay, the first question starts. Consider the following statements about Asiatic lines. Asiatic lines can be found in India and Iran. It is listed as critically endangered on IUCN Red List. Which of the above statements are correct? My dear friends, since to make the things quick, since I am giving a demo, just directly go to the answer. As many of you guessed the answer is neither one nor two. See this. Right answer, Dr. APJ Kalam. Great start. Once you feed the name, my quiz portal remembers your name. Right answer, Dr. APJ Kalam. Great start. Continue. And it provides the detailed explanation here itself immediately after the question. Currently, Asiatic lines are found only in India and all these things. IUCN status of Asiatic line is endangered. IUCN status of African line is vulnerable. When you click continue, see, most of the discussions end here, but at IAS Army, we go one extra mile. So, we discuss about cheetah. Dr. APJ Kalam, as we are discussing about lines, let us take this opportunity to know about cheetah. See, my dear friends, we started with line, but cheetah is also associated topic. That's the reason we discussed in detail about cheetah, Asian cheetah, African cheetah, and the cheetah reintroduction project of. But my team doesn't stop here. They go one more extra mile. Read this. Dr. APJ Kalam, tiger topic is also important for this year prelims due to tiger census and St. Petersburg Declaration. Okay, and they added one of the video. If you want more detail, you can watch this video on our YouTube channel. Okay, next let's proceed to other question. This question is on Instex. This is also important. Consider the following statements about instrument in support of trade exchanges, Instex. It is a new payment system developed by European Union. Its objective is to facilitate non-USD and non-SWIFT transactions with Iran and Russia. Which of the above statements is correct? Okay, earlier we chose right answer, so let's deliberately choose no. My dear friends, since I am giving demo, that's the reason I am rushing through. Okay, let's choose neither one nor two. Oh sorry, Dr. APJ Kalam, target missed. Option 2 is wrong, only option 1 is right. That statement 1 is right. Okay, and when you click continue, it gives the detailed explanation about Instex and all these things. My dear friends, Instex is important for this year prelims. Keep an eye on it. Okay, and see this. Dr. APJ Kalam, kindly do TTD. TTD refers to task of the day. It's an exclusive framework developed by our IAS Army team. In a simple parlance, it is nothing but a kind of homework. If we are discussing any topic in class or in quiz, if we think if there are any other related topics, so we'll do TTDs. So since this Instex platform is an initiative of the European countries, that's the reason my team thought of sensitizing about European Green Deal or about Lisbon Treaty, which is associated with Brexit, and NEEDM, that is Northern European Inclusion. My dear friends, the objective of the quiz, although we will be posting only 5 questions in a day, daily quiz we post only 5 questions, but by the time you finish those 5 questions, you will be enriched or you will be sensitized about more than 30 to 40 concepts, or in the worst case around 25 concepts. Because see, we started with lion, and then we discussed about cheetah, and then we discussed about tiger. We started with Instex. My team gave TTD and sensitized you about European Green Deal, Lisbon Treaty, and the need. Okay, my dear friends, please utilize this wonderful opportunity. Okay, please experience this India's most powerful, innovative, and interactive quiz. Okay, it's open for all. Okay, daily my team will be posting 5 questions. Please use this. My dear friends, let's load all your guns, okay, and prepare for the upcoming battle on October 4th. You should clear prelims this year at any cost. If you have any doubts or if you need any assistance, always you can reach our team. We have a very compassionate team who are really concerned about your success. Okay, just you can reach us by sending an email on our email ID. Very simple email ID. Just say that is namaste@ias.org. namaste@ias.org. That's our email ID. If you need any kind of assistance with regards to UPSC preparation, you can reach to us. Thank you. Have a great day.